Joan Cunningham here, reporting on Marjorie Dick Stuart, who is a wonderful realtor whom I will recommend to the entire world. My home, which I had owned for 50 years, I decided it was time to sell. I was given the name of Marjorie. She came in, said the time to sell is now, not next summer or next year. Today is the day we sell your house. With that kind of a boost, I got up off of my dead butt and decided, yes, the time is indeed today and not next year. The house was cleared. We got ourselves ready. I made up my mind. Marjorie helped me to get my heart ready. We prayed to higher angels who helped me to leave the home of my heart. Marjorie was enormously helpful on that. She told me she could not sell my house unless I let it go mentally, which I did. The house was sold in 3 days for a top price, which Marjorie negotiated with great flair, with her eyes sparkling, got me lots of money, comforted me, and made the whole story end well.